comes to the most. Let me tell you, today is not an ordinary day, it's our vibe. We expect too much fun, too much laughter, too much entertainment, and yes, too much inside scoop. In short, 2 words, which is? Too much. You got it, you nailed it. Women always nail it. The front seat, thank you so much. Mark your calendars for 25th of September, every Thursday. Prime Video will drop a brand new episode. Oh, stop it, guys. Okay, 64% said all of the above with extra sarcasm, and up to Kajol, ma'am.
I'm telling you, the mind readers, everything is a mind reader over here, what can I say?
So you thought she was quirky, savage, and unfiltered with extra sarcasm?
Absolutely, no two ways about it. That's the reason that we even decided that, she definitely should be there.
This is amazing. Thank you so much, ladies. Let's move forward to our third question. Twinkle's favorite Kajol movie is DDLJ because किसका नहीं हो सकता? कुछ कुछ होता है because shots in a summer camp are iconic. Gupt, which is my favorite film of Kajol because Twinkle likes her heroines dangerous. Good answer. या फिर D, प्यार तो होना ही था because she secretly ships Ajay Kajol. Secretly ships का मतलब होता है worships, guys. लेकिन आज के ज़माने में nobody wants to use full words because everybody's lazy. A, B, C, D. Go for it. ABCD? Okay, and if you hit submit, let's look at the answers. Let's look at it. Okay, it's on the screen. Oh, this is a bit up and down, okay? I love it. I might have moved that poll because Gupt is my favorite film of you, Kajol. And the audience thinks, the audience is messing with my mind right now because Gupt also, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai also, DDLJ also. Hang on, guys. I think Twinkle, you might need to clarify.
But listen, hello, 27 plus 27 plus 27 plus 18 does not make 100.
Why are you doing math? Don't do this to me.
But it's true. Where is the extra 3% going?
3%. Guys.
But the audience is right. I'm as confused as they are. I don't have a favorite either. They're
Not bad.
absolutely right.
Not bad. Well, thank you for announcing. Okay, Gupt has won by 2%. Thank you so much. Our next question on the screen, please. Kajol's go-to reaction to Twinkle's witty remarks are laughing till she snorts, rolling her eyes but secretly noting it down, pretending to be offended, never. All 3 in under 30 seconds. So, audience, you know what to do. A, B, C, and D. Click submit and we'll have the results on the screen in just a little bit. Okay, we got, all 3 in under 30 seconds seems to be the safe bet. So Kajol, is that true for you?
Pretty much. Maybe not the second one so much, but yeah, for A and B, C to
A and C for sure.
No two ways about
She's
it.
always pretending she's
I
offended.
don't pretend to be
Yeah,
offended. I
And
genuinely am sometimes.
I've been very restrained on this show.
I have to give
I mean,
kudos
it's
for
good.
this. Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, is there another?
Kind of.
Yes, we have
Sort
a
of.
last one. This is
Maybe.
fun. If Twinkle directed a movie with Kajol in it, what would the title be? Kuch Kuch Witty Hai, Kabhi Laughter Kabhi Roast, Dilwale Dulhaniya Tang Khichenge, Ke Tang Khichenge, or Gupt 2. I love this obsession with Gupt. Gupt 2, The Secret of Kajol's Side Eye, which is absolutely marvelous. Alright guys, you vote and we'll come back to the screen. Let's have a look if you hit submit. Okay, let's see. I'm swaying this poll obviously. Everyone thinks, 46% think it's Gupt 2, The Secret of Kajol's Side Eye. But Kajol, let me confess, as a fan of Twinkle, I'd like to believe she'd like that title also. Twinkle, you'll have to clarify.
D, definitely. Yeah, I've seen her rolling her eyes all the time. She does it, especially when there are people taking pictures. So Gupt 2.
Alright. Okay. Thank you. One last question. Which of these is most likely to happen if Kajol and Twinkle went shopping together? A, they'd buy one of everything and call it therapy. B, they'd roast each other's choices louder than the store's playlist. C, they start thinking of ideas for the next episode right in the middle of the store. Or D, they get too tired to decide and end up going for lunch. Sounds like me. That's what I would do. But let's see what you think Kajol and Twinkle would do if you actually hit submit. Hey man, ये हमारे thoughts are मिलो जुलोing. I like it. Okay, D. is what is Max, which says they get too tired to decide and end up going for lunch. Ladies.
Always.
Oh,
Yeah, absolutely. Food before everything else.
I love
Done.
it. I do want to take a minute and acknowledge my friends from the media who know so much. Can we give them a round of applause? They're amazing. This is how you're going to do. This is amazing. 25th September, 10 days to go for the show.
So guys, here we go, and here is our little. Please don't judge us too harshly.
No, judge us. We're really good. Absolutely not being humble here.
See,
Yeah.
this is why we got her.
Okay,
Go for
you're
it,
ready?
guys.
I can't believe this has happened. Okay, first of all, you've got like a dream guest list. You got Govinda and Chunky. Like, come on, give it up, man. Like, this is amazing.
That
Thank you
really
so
was
much for doing
amazing.
that. And then,
Seriously.
and then, of course, you've got killer combos. How are they so unfiltered? Like, tell us something. How do you do this?
Black magic. I take one strand of their hair, put it in a bottle, and yes.
Yeah.
And then I cast a spell so that they come there and embarrass themselves completely.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
But the second one is that she's embarrassing herself as well, along with them, so that they feel comfortable enough to
I'm
embarrass
sitting next
themselves.
to the bigger embarrassment.
Oh,
and we
no,
do this
come on.
together.
You know,
we're
I'm-
shameless and we're happy being shameless.
I'll tell you, you'll have pride and joy. Thank you so much. Can you kindly find your seats? I'm going to call back Nikhil and Nalini to come back and join us on stage. Please have a seat. Thank you so much for joining us. What did you guys think of the trailer? Hello, मैं आपके बारे में कैसा लगा? अरे मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया, मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया. This is awesome. Hi Nikhil. Thank you for sitting next to me. Alright, listen. I want to ask you straight up. Okay, what is your favorite episode? You did not expect that. You didn't expect that.
Thank you for that question. So I'll give you an honest answer.
Yeah.
So the honest answer is both of them in every episode. Every episode is dhamakedar, is fully entertaining. However, I have a couple of favorite episodes, but if I call them out, वो थोड़ा too much हो जाएगा.
Too much for Jaina. No, it's amazing. The star-studded lineup, seriously. You know, it's like a dream lineup for any host to get on their.
Unity behind and come up with their best lines.
Thank you for your absolute honesty. I love it. She's still laughing. How much laughter on that, show? Because she comes up with things like this. We love you laughing. Okay.
Absolutely, and it's so much fun because yes, there is there's a lot of laughter, there's a lot of fun. But I think what's nice about it is also the fact that our guests have also spoken about their views and their viewpoints in the nicest possible way, in the nicest possible setting, with the coolest questions.
Nice.
Just to give us enough credit for it.
Of course.
But yeah, and I have to say kudos to all of them who've come because they really have spoken so very well and from the heart and the mind and not sometimes.
I think that what is really special about our show is while there's a lot of laughter, there's a lot of joy, there's also a sort of unraveling of layers, psychological layers and layers about society, viewpoints. And we try to go a little bit deeper than other chat shows, and I think that is our USP. We have fun, it's irreverent, but it's also not frivolous at all. It's got some gravitas.
Nice. Can't wait to actually watch the episodes. 25th September. But I must ask you, what is it like to have each other as co-hosts? Because oh my God, like what a joy. Oh, Renalini, would you like to take that?
It's the most fun. I just want to tell you all that it is the most fun. I think, like I said before, also the BTS is like way more interesting. इतना काटना पड़ा. लेकिन इतना मजा आया था और the kind of stuff that I think we automatically kind of say to each other and around each other is also really funny. It's really funny because when I look back on it, I was like, how the hell did we say this? This is really not politically correct. This is truly not politically correct, but so very funny. So yeah, it was great fun.
I tease her and I call her Behan on the show, but it's kind of true. We are not friends. We are like sisters. We bicker, we make fun of each other, but we trust each other. We both have each other's back, and I think that's very important to have in a show like this. Absolutely.
Well, thank you for sharing. Mrinalini, you're going to tell us something more. I think the idea is so exciting, right? Take an idea like Too Much and turn it into something that looks fabulous and also is a widely entertaining show. So tell us a little bit of, how that came together for you, because I've seen you at Banijay Asia. Just, give us some of the coolest concepts and formats. So talk to us about this one.
Like I said, really we were thinking, what to do next in non-fiction. There's so much that's happening. So then we decided we wanted to do a chat show. So we were like, okay, how is this chat show going to be different from every other chat show out there, right? And like I said earlier, every chat show is an extension of the host's personality. And I think the one thing we really wanted to do was, we really wanted to put the female gaze onto a chat show and be like, what happens when a woman is asking these questions? Is there kindness? Is there more fun? Are they coming at it from a different angle? What happens in a chat show where two women compel you?
And it's always different. Like
Always.
you have male hosts who will ask you questions.
Yeah.
And you're always like, and men have a way of looking at things and have a way of answering certain things. And women, when they ask the same questions, are totally different ballgame altogether. And you answer them very, very, very differently. Yeah.
100%.
And the questions are different because they don't see the world through our perspective. They don't go through life every month, going through some sort of trauma the way we do, right from puberty till, menopause. So I think we have a different way and we brought that to the show.
I agree. I think you've summed it up. I think it's raw, it's unfiltered, it puts the spotlight on the female gaze. It doesn't feel like an intimidating set. It's where you come, chill with your friends. They've laughed through it. We've laughed, and we had a great team putting this together. In Akriti sitting right there, Niranjan, Janvi, and a whole lot of others were not here today. But and I think the one thing that was really nice about the show is that everybody had everyone's backs on the show. We were not doing it for the, it's not like we were trying to connive on an edit or do anything. It was all for, we want to put this out there and how is it going to feel? And I think that's been one of our greatest achievements out of the show, that it's a chat show with two very sassy hosts and ladies who are very, very unapologetic and unfiltered about everything that they say. And we're just very happy to put this into the world. Can't wait.
Well, thank you so much, Mrinalini. I must move to you, Nikhil, because I'm a fan of the unscripted catalog at Prime Video. I think it's amazing. You just had Traitors recently, and Traitors fans in the house, make some noise! Hello, I love that show. So my question to you is that how does Prime Video come up with such engaging and entertaining content again and again in the unscripted space?
I think the genuine answer is that because we don't follow formulas. If you look at Traitors, which became so popular, I'm glad you're a fan of the show. It's the first of its kind format that's been created for streaming. It's not a format that was created for television that also happens to stream. Or the Angry Young Men documentary on the journey of Salim Javed and how brilliant they were. Or even A.P. Dillon's docu-follow about his rise, or our recent reality show Follow Kar Lo Yaar. So if you look at all of them, we're trying to do something new and break the mold. They don't stick to any formula, and I think that's what's special. This is what we're trying to do for on this show as well. We've spoken about it. This is a format where we're introducing two absolutely original voices, two female hosts, a different kind of gaze. And sometimes you can just feel that this is different and special. That's the feeling that everyone who's seen the idea or seen the promo or even the poster looks at it and says, yeah, this one is different from the other. And that's what we've been trying.
Are we okay? Are we okay? Yeah, that was my ritual and it was not fun. Let me tell you that. It was really not fun. We were fine after we got on set, but before that it was like, are you going to be okay? Are you going to be okay? I was a little like completely nervous about, what was going to happen and all that. So, yeah.
No, we do have a ritual. We put on our rollers and then we go and bang heads together about who gets to ask the worst questions to the most boring guests.
बैठ जा बेटा.
And we divide it up like that. So, yeah.
Thank you. लेकिन boring guest तो नहीं दिखे यार.
I think our most favorite two guests on the show would have to be Salman and Amir. I think they are, no, actually, to be very honest, my favorite guest on the show was Govinda. I have to say that he was so super entertaining. And I mean, not to say that everybody was not nice and whatever, but Govinda is Govinda. Let's just like hands down, like nobody can argue with that. He's a trend, he's an icon.
Yeah, absolutely. Like everybody has their go-to Govinda dance song, and we think about it right now. While I'm just going to take this to Nikhil and say, when is that episode dropping? Can you give date?
All those questions are directed at me.
Yeah.
I'm going to try another politically correct answer.
Again, yeah, you can't confirm or deny, but please.
But it is one of the 8 episodes, let me put it that way. And it's going to be a really fun episode. I've enjoyed seeing the edit. They've done a fantastic job. You've just got a glimpse of what they have to say, but what you'll see in the main episode is even funnier. And also on that episode, as Twinkle was saying, outside of the fun and games, there are also some deeper topics that they touch, which is quite interesting to hear from both of them in their presence. So all in all, a very wholesome episode, and I think everyone will enjoy.
Not giving me the answer, no problem.
The show starts on
25th September, yeah. Thank you so much. Mrinalini.
At the end of it felt like a comfort meal, like it was very wholesome. There was fun and games, there was chit chat, we were laughing together, lots of jokes, but it was just wholesome. People have talked about their early lives. All your stars have spoken about so many things that we want to hear from them up close and personal. But I think if I had to sum it up, it's just very wholesome. It's that very warm feeling, and that's what sums up the show.
Well, thank you so much. I do want to end by asking each of you ladies, what's the one thing about...
I mean, we're literally building each other up.
Yeah.
And that's wonderful to work with, So yeah, appreciate that.
Every day a lesson in feminism, ladies. Thank you so much for living your feminism. It's amazing. This is awesome. Of course, it's time to get more questions in, and you know how this works. Our friends from the media will direct questions to each of you. Please do grace them with an answer. You know how this works as well. If you have a question, raise your hand, then your mic will come to you. And yes,
the Khans in the show, but there is a rumor about
And we are not telling you which one is better or anything like that, huh?
no,
It's
it's
there is a rumor about Shah Rukh Khan.
I think he wanted to go to the bathroom, so they took him away, and we were quite disappointed. And then we realized we couldn't get his dates, so Mrinalini had got a cardboard cutout of Shah Rukh Khan. We have that in our bloopers. You can watch that. So we have him.
That's a separate channel.
well, yes.
So I think it was that, because we were like, no more censorship. It shall not happen again. It's a law. We've passed it.
I mean, my husband always tells me chashma pen lo, which is code word that keep quiet. So now I told him chashma toot gaya.
Whoa! Thank you. That question, yes, sir.
मृणाली, इस तरह का शो बनाना कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है, क्योंकि इतने सारे गेस्ट को लाइन अप करना, शूटिंग करना, 2 इतने बड़े होस्ट हैं. उसके बाद अब जब शो बनकर तैयार है तो क्या कहेंगे, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा इस शो को?
It was a diplomatic experience. It was an experience in diplomacy. You can go to the UN now.
नहीं, ये शो का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था, एंड जो चैलेंजेस थे वो हर शो पे होते हैं, इस शो पे भी थे. आई गेस वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ गेस्ट्स, बट आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑन द शो. एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर 1, executive producer 2 sitting there, so we all together have pulled it through, and we are very excited with what we have to put out there.
शुक्रिया आपके सवाल का.
Yes. So, and then they were there. So, but we were really fortunate because this was an idea, and to actually make it happen is I'm joking, but it's very difficult. But I'm just so glad that both of them agreed to host it and then do such a fantastic job on the show.
Matlab, he has done this chat show for so many years that he is a very, very good speaker. So हमने कोशिश तो की है उसको थोड़ा सा uncomfortable करने की. But लेकिन he is, I have to say, has won hands down and spoken so very, very well.
She's being nice. We trouble him off camera, on camera, and he tries to wiggle his way out of it. I'm not sure if he succeeded.
Thank you, Ravi. Let's move on. Any other questions? Yes, ma'am. There's a mic that is with you, I hope.
Yeah, hi, Gopala here. The trailer looks fantastic. I loved it. Nikhil, this question is for you. Is the Kaun Banega Crorepati director Ruchesh Kumar involved in the show in some way?
I think Mrinalini can answer that question.
Yes, yes, he is.
Okay. He is kind of directing the two ladies.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks again. Lovely show.
Thank you so much. Let's move on. Any other questions?
There are lots of AKs in this show. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll get the one you want.
Ooh, nice. Thank you so much for your